This X3 was brought to us because of the starter problems. The customer stated that we need to change the starter, but when we lifted this car up, we tested the starter works fine. Of course, we found the aftermarket alarm system. We decided the main problem was the aftermarket alarm system, therefore we removed that. And when we tried to start it, it still didn't start. Then, of course, because we didn't have a starter signal, we decided most likely the culprit is the ignition switch. We changed that. But of course, car didn't start. And finally, we decided to check if the voltage comes to the ignition switch. Of course, it didn't come. So the main problem was the burnt fuse. So even though I always tell my customers, always check the fuses, sometimes even I do forget to check those before I start working on the car.